Scenic road trips have become a $100 billion industry. But at what environmental cost? As we embark on our scenic road trips, we're not just taking in breathtaking views, we're also contributing to the destruction of our planet. The highway system, once a symbol of freedom and adventure, has become a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental degradation. In the United States alone, there are over 4 million miles of roads, with millions more being built every year. The construction of these roads requires massive amounts of materials, including cement, asphalt, and steel, which contribute to deforestation, water pollution, and air pollution. But that's not the strangest part. The real issue lies in the maintenance of these roads. Every year, millions of gallons of fuel are wasted on unnecessary road repairs, which in turn contributes to more emissions and environmental damage. This phenomenon is not unique to the United States. Countries around the world are struggling with the same issue. Imagine a world where scenic road trips are no longer possible due to the devastating effects of climate change. It's a reality that's becoming increasingly likely, and one that we need to address before it's too late.
Scientists have discovered that the construction of just 1 mile of road can release up to 1 million pounds of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
20 scientists have that into perspective. Road can release up to that's million pounds equivalent of the carbon dioxide into the emissions of 200 atmosphere cars driving for an entire year. But wait until you hear what comes next. The real impact of scenic road trips goes far beyond the environment. Every year, millions of people are injured or killed in road accidents, with the majority of these incidents occurring on scenic routes. This is a stark reminder of the importance of road safety and the need for us to rethink our approach to scenic road trips. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Every time we attempt to drive on a scenic route, we're putting ourselves and others at risk. The statistics are shocking. In the United States alone, over 37,000 people die every year in road accidents. And it's not just the people who are affected. The economic cost of these accidents is staggering, with an estimated $230 billion lost each year. But that's not the strangest part. The real issue lies in the lack of accountability and regulation. In many countries, there are few laws and regulations in place to govern the construction and maintenance of scenic roads. It's a Wild West scenario, where companies are free to build and repair roads with little regard for the environment or public safety. This phenomenon is not unique to the United States. Countries around the world are struggling with the same issue. For centuries, scenic road trips have been a staple of human culture, with many of the world's most famous routes being built by ancient civilizations. From the ancient Romans to the modern-day tourists, scenic road trips have always been a source of fascination and inspiration. But today, we're facing a new reality, one where the environmental impact of scenic road trips is becoming increasingly unsustainable. It's like trying to navigate a maze. Every time we attempt to drive on a scenic route, we're faced with a series of complex choices and trade-offs. The stakes are high, with the future of our planet hanging in the balance. So what can we do to address this issue? One solution is to invest in sustainable road construction materials, such as recycled asphalt and low-carbon cement. Another approach is to implement more stringent regulations and laws to govern the construction and maintenance of scenic roads. But these are just a few ideas. The real challenge lies in finding a solution that works for everyone. The debate is ongoing, with some arguing that scenic road trips are a necessary evil, while others claim that they are a luxury we can no longer afford. As we continue to navigate this complex issue, one thing is clear: the future of scenic road trips will be shaped by our collective actions. It's a reality that's both exciting and daunting, with the potential for incredible growth and innovation. But it's also a reality that requires us to be responsible and sustainable in our approach. So what's the bottom line? The impact of scenic road trips on the environment is a complex issue that requires a nuanced approach. While there's no easy solution, there are steps we can take to reduce our environmental footprint. From investing in sustainable materials to implementing more stringent regulations, there are many ways we can make a difference. The key is to be aware of the issue and to take action. So the next time you're planning a scenic road trip, remember the impact it's having on the environment and consider taking steps to reduce your carbon footprint, such as carpooling or using public transportation. Every little bit counts, and together we can make a difference. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about scenic road trips. And don't forget to like and comment below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.